This is yours, Barbara?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's talk.
Nice to meet you. And she's okay with no threatening.
Okay, come up, sir. Come on up. Is there a protective order in place now?
Yes.
Let's see. Yeah, sorry. So, Mr. Ryan Brown, I'm going to amend the conditions. I like to do what the complaining witnesses want. If they want to have contact with you, I'm going to allow contact, but nevertheless, there's no threatening or harassing contact that is allowed. What is threatening or harassing is what they perceive. It's not what you think. I don't care what you think. It's what they perceive. So is that threatening or harassing? It most certainly is, and it can land you back in jail. Do you understand? I don't know what kind of relationship you have with this person, but if it's something that you're constantly butting heads, it's probably not a good idea because you piss this person off and they come back and they say that you're threatening. It's just not going to go well for you. You understand? Okay. You mind applying those conditions? We'll modify the protective order as far as the residential restriction. Everything else will remain effective as in the protective order. Okay.
Sorry, Judge, not in jail. You did ring this.
Don't worry about it. I mean, I know you're busy. We'll just get you out of here. It'll take 2 seconds. So
There are no conditions.
we have state's bonds conditions. So we'll have it filed now and then we'll print out the MOAB. I'll take off the residential restriction. Then you guys are good.
Thank you.
Don't let him leave though. We'll need him to sign the conditions and then if that he can go.
Thank you.
All right. Ryan Brown. It's a hyphenated. Okay, all right.
Judge Papa 21, Johnson, first initial D.
We only have one arraignment?
We have the other one,
You were Mr. Johnson? Mr. Johnson, you charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On May 18th, 2026, officer with dispatch to conduct a follow-up investigation on harassment. Defendant is former Metropolitan Authority employee. Defendant sent the email to complainant, or to 22 complainants that
Oh,
caused
right.
security.
I remember this. Mhm.
That caused security to be implemented. Defendant stated in the email, quote, "You better hope I don't pull up in the neighborhood. It's going to be shit." Defendant was terminated from employment and sending numerous emails to 23 separate employees with intent to harass, annoy, alarm, abuse, and torment. The voicemails also left on from defendant's phone recorded placed in each file. Defendant was informed no longer to contact the employees. Officer informed defendant it is no longer allowed on MTA properties. Defendant became agitated and asked the officer back number. Defendant then sent another email that was vulgar harassing.
So what place is this?
It's a former employee of the Metropolitan Transit Authority.
Right, okay, that's right. All right, Mr. Johnson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to have any contact with any of the people that are listed in this complaint. I think that's to the tune of 22 people.
Yes, Your Honor, about 23.
You were not allowed to have, or 23?
22.
You were not allowed to have contact with any of them. When I mean no contact, I mean no contact at all. Phone calls, text messages, emails, social media, use of third parties. You violate this condition, I will put you in jail. There will be no more PR bonds for you. Do you understand?
Sorry, Your Honor, it's 23, so it's complainant and 22 other individuals.
Is there a duplicate filing in this case? Do you mind? I'm showing that there are two. One was filed 6-2, one was filed 6-3. One is in warrant status. Looks like he may have. Do you see that too?
What's his last name?
Johnson. Is that a duplicate filing? So it is the true,
Judge, it says it's a refund information, but in case number ending in 322, it says it's a refund.
Okay.
I will discuss the refund, okay.
okay.
I think one was a 2B, and then I really just followed it.
Got it. Okay. Mr. Johnson, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Okay. I need to know everything about you to see whether you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer, what kind of cars you have, how much money you have at the bank, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. You need to be at the federal poverty guideline to be able to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You can fill out an application and Deputy Williams will give you an application. We're going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. The other condition that you have is you are not to be in possession of any kind of weapons whatsoever while this case is open. For now, I'm going to have you sign a reset. We'll have you take a seat in the jury box, or we'll get your bond conditions, and then we'll have you fill out the application, sir. Please.
Let's no contact with any of the complainants.
Right. And what, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Just double checking for Mr. Brown, it's just no travel mechanism.
Don't worry about it because I'm going to have the state file it. You don't need to worry about it. So I will need you guys, if I'm monitoring anyone for like alcohol, drugs, GPS monitoring, this nature, but don't worry about that. We'll take care of it. It's just a state motion. So you have less. Mr. Gissing-Tanner.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Morning, sir.
Morning. I'm here on Davis Wheatfall.
Wheat ball?
Yes, sir. Davis-Wheatfall.
Oh, Davis. Got
Do you need a cause number?
it. No, let me see. Well, I didn't see that. Okay, I see it now. Do you just want to reset?
Yes, sir. I spoke with the state on Monday when I was in your courtroom, and there's still discovery outstanding. They're still trying
Sure.
to get the discovery from I guess it's HISD. So yeah, I just need to reset.
How's July 15, 16?
Hold on a second. You said July 15th or 16th?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you give me 1 second? Let me check my calendar.
Oh,
We can do July 16th.
okay.
Okay. All right, we'll see you then.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Have fun.
Bye-bye.
We have Santiago Castro back there.
No, there's nothing from any, so I.
Got it. Okay. Well, we'll go tomorrow. Porter Jackson. Did you check in?
Judge Fleischer.
Do you mind grabbing him, please?
Mr. Ryan Brown.
Judge, I thought it was going to be state sponsored.
Yeah.
Never met Mr. Ryan.
Yeah.
Yes, but.
Okay, we'll see if he shows. But if he's not here, then he's supposed to be here. Hey. Are we moving stuff off tomorrow or do we still have it on? Okay, I have a guy that's got, Gamon, that's in McDonald's client, he's got violations. He's set for tomorrow to come take a drug test. He's got another set of bond violations. So I'm just keeping them on for tomorrow then? Okay, all right.
Mr. Johnson?
Yeah, you want to come hang out? Yeah, hi guys. Yes, come hang out and
My name's Ethan
hi,
Reeves.
nice to meet you. Hi, how are you? That's okay.
Showed you guys.
Judge Eric.
She's great, right?
Love her.
No, she's awesome. Glad So you realize what's up? Did you come yesterday?
We did, but then they let us know.
I'm sorry.
No, we're
Yesterday. But you know, you guys are always welcome. You want anytime you want to come here. I mean, you're here every day. I very rarely miss, but if you want to hang out here, you want to sit over there, wherever you want to go, you know, stay for as long as you want. Usually Mondays and Fridays are business, so that's usually the best days to come. We were separate trial yesterday, but obviously we'll go through. But yeah, we're happy to have anytime to come. Hang out. If you guys want to sit there, you want to sit here, and
I'm sitting there.
you know what, probably you're right, because if we get more deployments in the so yeah, it's probably good.
Okay.
Yeah, hang out. As long as you're
Thank you.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, is there a time limit?
Parwa, I'm going to CC you on an email now. It's a harassment that's set for tomorrow, arraignment. Dustin, who's the lawyer, is asking me to move it next week. But I'm emailing back right now saying, look, I don't know. I need the state's position. I need to know what, if any, conditions that we need to put in place. So what we'll do is I will send this email now. I'm going to ask Dustin to zoom in. Once he does, if he does, at that point, I'll need you to do a PC real quick so we can decide what, if any, conditions. Okay, just to give you a heads up.
She's right in this, you know, how much of the book here. For everything like. Yeah, you mentioned, yeah. Yeah. Okay. You would put twelve photos to make sure you're whatever. So anything else on it, and this is a good order. If you want to check that later.
Hi,
Quick question.
shoot.
Why not EPI, we have a conference, they're separate, everybody has to process it. The appearance is required. Do you want them to stay?
No,
Okay.
no. I mean, so where are you at now? You just got to get the,
Everything's done, they just have the contract, I mean, process, the order, their side of it.
we just need him to sign a reset for the year-long reset, and then after that, we'll let him go.
Excellent.
Yeah, sure. Can I give you clause number, please? I need to give you a clause number. Ready? 262-1799 on Chavez.
Yes.
A discovery order was filed in both of those cases. I don't know if you've seen it.
I have no
It
idea.
looks like it's a standing one.
I'll take a look at it.
I just make sure you're okay with it. If you are, then I'll sign it, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. So you have the supervisor.
Yeah.
As everybody's.
Right?
All right, everything
Let's share.
else? Did you get any offers? Okay. How do you July 21st through your 23rd?
I mean, it's not.
To consider options. Would you have anything else?
Yeah, I don't know, they're gonna do it all the time. Now, it's just last day. They're here now. Well, that is if you get a bond, I can talk. So they're not eligible.
Yeah, he was probably.
Downstairs. It's a- there's a reason that we're- What are you
Yeah.
Hey, good morning.
I've got an off documented from the continent. Application already ready.
Is it? Okay, give me 1 second.
Yes, sir.
I'll check for the information on it.
Okay, what's the cost then?
Yes, sir. It's 261-2058.
Okay,
I'm just like the video sign,
the what?
the blood prep discovery. order.
Sure, just have him put it in and then I'll sign it for you.
Oh, was it not? I'm so sorry. So sorry.
You cool with it?
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, all right, I'll sign it.
I've been told it's up and on. I've been told it's up.
Okay, not yet. Got it, yeah, it'll be there any moment now.
Sorry.
Yeah, sure. Victoria, Mike Brandon. Johnson. State's okay with it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Sure, of course.
Mr. Chavez, we have no objection to the separation request.
Okay, great.
And then we also filed a motion to restore property that would be in review, as well for different use
Okay,
for Mr. Rausto.
got it. Thanks.
No, just this one. dates on those dates. I'll send it out. Did you get a response? Okay, so you're at one meeting. No. Yeah. I didn't see the three. I think that looks like it was mine. You have 5 feet there. You know, you're right. Yeah. So, this should be nice to you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I see. Perfect. Yes, well, I'll be able to switch. We'll speak to the someone about this starting.
Yes.
Yeah, this week. Yeah.
Do you see conditions on Ryan? They're not there yet. Oh, yeah, that's, you see the state's conditions? Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, that's all, that's all.
Ryan Brown.
Good morning, Mr. Kaiser.
Morning, Your Honor.
What's up?
Here on Toy Tanner, she was to pay some restitution and cases would have been dismissed. However, Ms. Tanner had an automatic withdrawal that she didn't account for come out of her account, and thus didn't have the money. She is able to pay it by this Friday. I'm just gonna have her send it to me and I'll pick up a cashier's check and pay the restitution. If you could give us till, let's say Monday by just,
I'll give you till Friday, man. I mean, this has been over and over and over. We're at 225 days now, you
right.
know?
Well, okay, yeah, Your Honor, if you, I know you don't remember, you hear tons of,
Really, it's always something though.
well, but we just got the restitution amount, I think, at the last setting. on this case.
When did you guys offer the restitution dismissal?
He said, we shared the bill on May 28th. So we had a call with. Then he had to send us an email.
I can't hear, Your Honor.
He's saying that she gave you the restitution information on the 28th of last month.
Right. Was that the last setting?
And it's been now nearly 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be week 2.
Right. Your Honor, we believe this, and this is why she didn't pay it, was because, why she wasn't able to pay it was because she had the automatic withdrawal that she didn't account for.
Okay,
And
so you're saying Friday it'll get paid though?
yes, sir.
Great. So is she here now?
She is. She should be in the audience, Your Honor.
Okay. If it's not paid Friday, then I'm going to roll her day for day.
Okay. All right. I'll explain that to her, and I think we'll have it paid. I'm pretty
So come on up, ma'am. You need to have it paid by Friday. You understand?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. We'll have you sign a receipt and we'll get you out of here, ma'am. Please. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right. Thanks, Sean.
Thanks, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a plea today for an in custody.
Okay.
Defendant.
You getting him? Okay. Got it. Karina, you said it was a motion to destroy
Restore.
or restore?
Yes, like a restore firearms.
So it's going to the rightful owner though?
Correct.
So, okay, good.
Yes.
All right.
That's
Got
what
it.
I saw the name and I saw the kind of I was like, wait, no, but that's what it looks like.
Morning, Mr. Goodman. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're also charged with prostitution. Second offense, you're facing up to 6 months in jail on each of those cases. Looks like you've worked out an agreement where they're going to dismiss the prostitution in exchange for your plea on the trespass. You need to understand that the prostitution case is an enhanceable offense. If you keep picking those up, at some point you will be hit with a felony offense. Years instead of days. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This will go on your record. It will be there forever. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. You understand? How do you plead to the offense of criminal trespass? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow this agreement, send it you to 30 days in jail, give you credit for the 11 days that you've done. Good luck to you, sir. Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Farwell, you filed conditions on Ryan. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Judge, are you?
What's up?
It's there and a lot of.
And then you can see.
So you put the case, like not being in this century. From how to do
Oh, and I'll be able to hire. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
That's
I'm
good.
a little short.
You're there.
This is the go for, I'm ready to get on the record if Ramona is available.
Ramona,
Okay, I was just trying to figure it out.
Yeah, and you're talking about the plan condition that they.
Yes, Judge.
do you mind please setting up? We have to put something on the record.
Okay, I'll be right out.
Thanks. On, who is this again?
It's always very.
Yeah, I see a writ was filed yesterday.
Oh, yes, and I mean, this is informal, we'll have it on the record, but I'm waiving my notice period. My rights for a notice period, we're just gonna have it done today, because this is one where they're only contesting good order, so I don't need a fingerprint at her, I don't need anything else. Yeah. Yeah.
So it says here that the restraint is illegal, specifically the affidavit for warrant number whatever alleges a false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights was committed on or about October 25th of 2022.
They're alleging that it is inconsistent with the warrant date because one of the pages in the affidavit states the date of August 2024, but I can clarify that on the record. It's not inconsistent.
Okay.
It's less ambiguity to how they worded it, and it's not wrong. I.
Don't. It's okay, really. That's why we're here.
Yeah.
Don't feel bad ever. You know, you do what you need to do. No one will begrudge you for it.
We got really like. No, that's not right.
Hey, guys, do you mind bringing up Mr. Dario? Please, Dario, please.
What is the correct way? Yeah, calculate all the dates and the time difference was for when the thing was sent out. Now I have to go to the whole. Math. You need to get math.
Morning, Mr. Dario.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Are you ready?
Oh, yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. It is June 10th, 2026. We are here in cause number 2610376, State of Texas versus Luke Therio. We are here because Mr. Therio is wanted out of Calcasieu Parish, Louisiana. There is a fugitive warrant that was issued back in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, would you announce yourselves for purposes of the record, please?
Dave Kim for state.
Haley Alfaro for defendant.
The reason we are here is for purposes of the record. It appears that in Mr. Therio's case, he was picked up mid-March, went before a magistrate March 16th of 2026. And at that time, he had the ability to either waive extradition or refuse extradition. And it's apparent here that he at that time refused extradition. For purposes of the record, also, he's wanted for cyber stalking, violation of constitutional rights, among other things. A governor's warrant has been obtained in this case. It also appears that an application for writ of habeas corpus was filed yesterday, 6/9 of 2026.
Yes,
State,
Your
would you like
Honor.
to proceed?
At this time, I'd like to introduce the governor's warrant. A copy has been tendered on to council, along with an order securing fugitive after service of a governor's warrant.
Okay. So it looks like you have obtained the governor's warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. And a state is waiving notice requirements for the writ of habeas corpus. State is ready to stand, opposed to the writ.
Okay.
So for the governor's warrant, he is wanted out of Calcasieu Parish for 2 charges: false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights under warrant number LCPD 2024-010163, and cyber stalking under LCPD 2022-005784. The data incidents were October 25th, 2022 and June 10th, 2022, respectively. And the warrant was signed on November 9th, 2022 and November 1st, 2022. In the defendant's application for the writ of habeas corpus, it only alleges 1 violation, that the papers are not in order, and only cites 1 affidavit where it states that the date is inconsistent with when the warrant was signed in 2022, because the affidavit notes that it was from August 2024. However, that discrepancy is actually a lexical ambiguity. The second warrant for the false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights, while the warrant was signed by the 14th District Court in Louisiana, it wasn't entered into NCIC until August 2024. And so it is not incorrect. It was just addressing a different part of the warrant process. For the governor's warrant, it has shown to fulfill all the other requirements, and under Coester 450 Southwest 3D 908 is that once the governor's warrant regular on his face is introduced into evidence, the burden shifts to the accused to show the warrant was not illegally issued, was not based on proper authority, or contains inaccurate recitals. However, they may not complain about any of the papers which have not been offered. This stems from when he was originally arrested in March 16th, 2026. A governor's warrant was issued out, or a petition was issued out from the state of Louisiana's DA's office on March 20, 2026. The sworn statement from Detective Russell in Louisiana was signed on April 1st, 2026. It was sent to the state of Louisiana Department of Justice, to the Attorney General, Liz Murrell, and a governor's warrant packet was requested for the Louisiana Governor, Jeff Landry. The Louisiana Governor signed the governor's warrant on May 4th, 2026, and remitted it over to the Texas Governor's Office on May 27th, 2026, where our Governor, Greg Abbott, has signed and accepted the governor's warrant. It is issued out from our Secretary of State, Nancy Nelson, to our Sheriff's Office on May 29th, 2026, and the defendant was served yesterday, which has been provided to a copy of this court on June 9th, 2026. And so otherwise, the papers are in good order, and the state has fulfilled their requirements under Codified 5113 that has met the Uniform Act for extradition.
Do you have any issues with the paperwork?
Yes, Judge, we do. And this is not outlined in the actual application for the writ of habeas, but there is one other issue regarding fugitive status, but I'll get into that one. The issue here, the main issue was the fact that the documents on their face are not in order. We have an actual affidavit from the detective that was involved in this case, saying that these actions were done on August 2024. Mr. Theriot has been living in Houston, Harris County, since May of 2016. He was actually served with a restraining order a criminal order of protection, and it actually includes that it's set or it's permanent lifetime. He was actually ordered to remain in Katy, Texas with his father. This is an order that was brought down by the same parish that is now requesting that he come back, even though there's an order contradicting this because they had previously been told, he had previously been told to stay away. He has a permanent lifetime order in place in case number 7543-16 out of the 14th.
So you're saying there was a lifetime protective order? That was it?
Judge.
Okay.
Yes, and this was signed on this was filed on January 12th of 2017. All these incidents, even if we were to agree that all of them occurred on March, June, and October of 2022, and I'm aware that there's a carve-out exception under Section 6 of the Uniform Extradition Act that accounts for cyber-stalking crimes that can be remotely committed, right?
Right. I mean, that's.
Right, and I understand that part, but I also understand that he has been given two contradicting orders. One order restricts him from going near that property and from stay and to stay here. This is a permanent lifetime order, and as far as I know, it has not been revoked, it has not been overturned. No other judge has said, yeah, he can freely come back to Calcasieu Parish. So Mr. Theriot has been complying with that order since about 2016. And such, he's not willing to return back voluntarily to the state of Louisiana in direct violation of this order as well. Yes.
But does that have any issue with, on its face, in the fact that the extradition documents are not in order?
Well, the main contention as far as the documents not being in order are the fact that there's a discrepancy in like a 2-year gap date, where the individual involved in this case has one previous affidavit that they used to secure a warrant that says that these acts happened on October 25th of 2022, whereas the new affidavit that was signed by that same individual on April 1st of 2026, he's alleging that these acts happened in 2024. That's a full 2-year discrepancy. If it were like a matter of days, I understand the leeway that is given with the honor about language, but I think that.
Sure, but I think that that's something that's handled over there.
As the court knows, for 5113 for the receiving state is that they are required to have 2 affidavits with warrant statements. The first one the council is referring to is the initial arrest warrant that was signed by the 14th District Court.
Sure.
The second one is an affidavit signing and attesting to the governor's warrant. And so that's.
Okay, so. I'm going to grant the governor's request, and I'm going to order you to return back to Calcasieu Parish. You will be held at no bond while this process is going on. I would imagine within the next just couple of days, you'll be back to Calcasieu Parish, and at that point, you can deal with them and issues of bond and whether they'll, grant you another bond. But at this point, we're going to order you to return back. Do you have any questions?
Just the governor's warrant states that I was physically present in Louisiana to commit the acts. Is that, even if they're not on the.
I haven't seen it.
And that is correct, Judge. I believe an affidavit prepared by Jacob Johnson, part of the governor's order packet, clearly states that Mr. Theriot was physically present in the year of 2022 to commit these offenses, physically present in the state.
I wouldn't know. I don't.
I have a witness who can testify that I was at the house.
Well, that's something that you'll have to take up when you get back over there. This here, we're only trying to determine, are you the right person that should be charged with this offense? And whether there is enough to send you back to Louisiana to answer those charges. That's what my concern is identity. Are you who they say you are? Are the documents in order? If they are, at that point, we'll send you back and then you answer the charges over there and then you can make those arguments over there.
What about the 4th prong review, the status as a fugitive? that I flood the state and that I'd be entitled to the governor's discretion and not a mandatory.
It's just
Extra.
whether you are a fugitive. That's just the last
Your
prong of
Honor,
it.
we addressed this earlier, is that there's a carve out under section 6, is that there are exceptions in what we colloquially call 2B warrants, that they are recognized by both governors of Texas and Louisiana as qualifying for 5113.
They do, 2B warrants are issued all the time, you know? Yeah, so, all right.
All right.
So, Your Honor, just for the record, in accepting the governor's warrant, state would like to introduce Exhibit A for the governor's warrant and the service, and as a court formally denying the writ for the defendant.
Yeah. All right. Oh, do you have any objection to the admission?
The admission would be the original governor's order
Mhm.
packet that we were
With the
providing.
service slip.
Yeah.
Yeah, no objection to this.
Okay, it will be admitted and the writ will be denied.
Can I appeal the denial of the writ?
Sure. Yeah, and she'll go over that with you, but I'm gonna grant the writ. I mean, not grant the writ, I'll deny the writ.
You sure?
Okay,
Thank
thanks.
you.
Maybe the excuse, John?
Yes,
We have the record.
off the record.
Oh, right.
Thank
So
you, Ramon.
I'll, go, yeah, the back.
Oh, I. Keely. Don't worry about it. Sorry. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Ramona.
Oh, you're welcome to it.
It's 30 days, so for 30 days in the orders, so they can.
Hey, is it the CCA?
I'm sorry, Jim?
Is it to the CCA?
Yes, sorry, I didn't provide a copy of that, as well. Printed it out, but I printed out so many things. There it is.
Thanks.
Ryan Brown.
Are you ready? Hey. Hi, good morning. Yeah. You just need me to sign a dismissal?
Yes, please.
I think I've already signed it.
Okay, maybe I'm just not getting emails today
Hmm.
then. All right.
I don't see it yet, so maybe if it's not come through yet, it'll come through and as soon as I get it all signed.
Sure, I think it-
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah. Very helpful.
Judge.
Hey, yeah,
I think, right now, the first one is William. William.
okay. It's jail case, right?
No, this is on bond.
Okay,
She's here in the audience, Judge. She is, she's in for a prostitution case. She's completed, kind of the terms of her BTI. It's just, she's got a month left of her discharge date where she doesn't have to go any case or anything. Right now, she's got an equal monitor on her. We would support it. If we could address, if we can take that off.
she's fulfilled everything for the dismissal. She just needs to stay out of trouble.
She's here, Judge, and, for what it's.
I understand. Well, state what's your position. Yeah, okay, I'm down. Yeah. Number two.
And then my second one is the straw. That one's on the jail docket.
It is on the jail.
This one was a 10-day discovery setting for surveillance. And
Oh, right. Okay.
the identity of the occupant officer. As of right now, spoke with the chief, we don't have it right now. So.
Judge, we're having our investigator go in person to get the surveillance video.
It's 150 days and he's in jail. You know? So, I mean, I guess I'll give you to the end of docket. He's bond denied and upstairs regardless, but I guess I'll give him to the end of docket. If you don't have it by the end of docket, then okay, all right. Thanks, Sebastian.
Yes.
Hey,
May I approach?
please.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay,
Hoping to get into PTI, set for a TRAS on July 1st. So we're hoping to get this case reset sometime shortly thereafter.
is he here now?
Not here today,
Okay, it's 180 days. I'm not gonna wait. You said when is this set?
July 1st, TRAS date.
It's, let's do this. Pick a day next week, have him come, and then we'll send him to go do a walkthrough to TRAS so we can kind of speed things up a bit since it's already 180 days.
Understood.
I don't care whatever day you want, just have him come. Any day good next week? Yeah, just pick whatever you want. We'll have him come, send him to a walkthrough TRAS, and after that, we'll give you a couple weeks to finish it up.
Understood.
Yeah.
We'll see you next week. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
So which day next week?
How about Thursday? Monday the 13th. Fire repairs go on.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I will be looking at. Then you'll have to approach on the screen.
Is it top of 34?
Yes, Judge.
Is he here?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, we need to do PC.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to do PC.
And
Deontay Smart, come up.
I would like to kind of hold off on it so I can look at the discovery a little bit. There's two.
Well, yeah, I get it, but I still have to do PC on it. I can't not.
Okay. Now, if I recall, you do allow us to reapproach up to you.
Sure, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Perfect.
Anytime.
I'm signed on the case, but I have not had a chance to do it.
All right, you are Mr. Smart. Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of weapon and displaying a fictitious license plate.
The fictitious plate is already finished up. He's reached to Wednesday. June or July.
July.
Oh, he picked up a new case. Oh,
And that's why the
Oh.
PC is a little more interesting.
we are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On June 6, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed a vehicle traveling with an expired license plate. Our traffic stop was conducted. The defendant was a front right passenger, but also the registered owner of the vehicle and stated he is the owner. Officer observed a strong odor of marijuana from inside the vehicle. Officer observed the front of defendant's shirt to have recognized pieces of marijuana on it. Defendant admitted to smoking marijuana earlier and also admitted to being in possession of a handgun inside the vehicle. Defendant stated everything in the vehicle belonged to him. Officer located inside the vehicle a plastic pouch of marijuana as well as a handgun on the front right floorboard of the vehicle.
Mr. Smart, I'm gonna find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be tested 40 days from today. If you test positive for dope or alcohol, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? The one thing I told you not to do was pick up a new case, and you picked up a new case. What happens now? What happens now? No, you're going to jail today. I don't ask much from you. Don't pick up a new case. And if I find that you have a weapon again, it's just going to keep going higher and higher. You understand? Okay.
He's got, he made a.
I'm not going to touch the new case, but I'm going to revoke it just on the old one.
So I can tell his family what's the.
5001.
For the fictitious plate. We should consider it 1,500. And let me.
State, what do you say?
We defer to you, Judge.
All right, I'll set it at 2501, but I'm going to tell you now, you will get tested 40 days from today. And I'm not going to play this game with you. Do you understand? Okay, all right. Hey, you ready for Janet? Hey, what's up?
Sophia Harris.
Jail or bond?
Harris.
Okay,
So, the DA did make me an offer. The problem was my car was broken into and my briefcase was stolen with all my files and my calendar. I'm an captain. So I've been
It's
like
okay.
recreating my calendar, but I just haven't been able to sit down and like talk to her about it.
so you're at
So it's just a
172.
reset.
We'll give you one last one. She's got to be at the next setting.
Okay,
Discovery complete, and is there an offer on the case?
there's a very nice offer.
Okay, so that's it.
Okay.
This is the last reset, okay? All right,
Thank
yes,
you.
ma'am.
Sure.
That's much better. Stace, is he here?
Not anymore.
He left?
Yeah.
Okay,
He realized he had to give the RV, he walked out.
I'll give him to the end of docket in the event that he shows up. We'll call his name at the end 3 times. If he's not here, at that point, I'll revoke the bond. I'll grant your motion. Just, I'll reach out to you if he shows up, but I'll give him the benefit of the doubt until the end of docket.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Are we gonna, hey, we getting pre-trial? Do we know? So we need to do conditions on, right, so. Yeah, please. Carl, you got my email? Yeah,
Yeah, I checked and he'll be here.
okay. Hey, Carl. Yeah. Yeah, sure, we'll give you a final reset. Just let her know she's gotta be here.
Right.
Okay.
And also Stubblefield, thank you.
See how old. Sure. Yeah, yeah, okay. You got it.
Okay.
Have fun.
I'm very. Good about it.
Just no more than 30 days though.
I already know that.
Okay. Whatever you want.
How's July 8th, yes.
I'm about to leave. And you feel, you need anything?
This could be a signature.
I mean, I'm not leaving, like. Oh, you had an application?
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I know. So what's research?
Okay, but his original one is already on for 761, so we want to just put this one on. And then. Actually, not. Next, no problem. I'm assuming that's all it's on. It's really.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He said it is.
Because.
No, it's. Yeah.
Don't get it, I have.
He should be. Well, I was saying, another kind of went into that previous.
Rodriguez?
I don't know how close it is. You know, am I insurance trying to follow up?
I can sign the picture.
You know, it's me, I was. It is now. So we use a peanut in it, I see that.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
It's still pretty new, but I see it. Yeah, the email that was already helped. Curious to see something.
No, I'm saying, I can still, I don't know one business. I bring the next level.
Garcia?
Recording.
Objection heard.
No, but I said that.
Yeah, I have one is. Yeah.
I thought those two things were all actually. Yes.
I don't, it is. And almost two young lovers like. No, I think just said their name, I can find it on.
Whatever.
So, Steve, well, Steve is the bar reading. Well, make sure he's actually in their van. Because physically. Steve's happening. No. Remember that
Those pictures are really nice. Those pictures are so nice.
and Korea.
He's not in the motor. Is mom taking? Well, I hope that she and some music. Okay. I was just waiting, you paid her out of garbage.
That's just lost right now. Because
Oh, so you can dismiss a case. First small patient. This one you submitted to the. To reviews for previously. Just. I just. Request for reevaluation.
KJT at the end. And unless it is the question, age.
Yeah. Research. The other one. Deontay Smart.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Judge.
Hi. Okay, talk to me.
I have Mr. Wilkins on. He's in custody.
Okay.
As judge, and we are going to be able to jail re-entry program.
Sure.
I filed,
Okay, I'll sign it.
yeah, the things.
Okay.
On the page, on the 3 cases.
Okay.
Dismissing that in accordance with that.
Not a problem. Okay, thanks.
Need excuse?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, Dustin.
We'll just answer email as to me doing this.
Okay, let me give it to you, or do you got it, Dustin?
It's 262-3545.
2623545. My only concern are, because it's a harassment case, are there any conditions that we should place? Do you mind, I guess, reading what happened?
I was actually, I'd like you to look at that. Too.
Sure,
So
of
he's
course.
present, but it's.
I know, yeah, but it's okay.
Harassment statute.
My question were dispatched to a public roadway in reference to a vehicle disturbance. Complainant advised defendant followed her to her residence and threatened her following a road rage incident. She advised she was stopped in the intersection at a red light. Defendant honked immediately when the light turned green. Complainant advised she made a left turn onto the bender. Defendant was behind her and made a left turn. Defendant attempted to go around her, but was unsuccessful due to traffic. She advised defendant followed her to her apartment complex. Defendant appeared to reach into his backseat for something, took photos of complainant with his phone. Defendant circled the parking lot yelling, "I know where you live, I'll be back later." Then yelled racial slurs. Complainant feared for her safety and believed defendant would return. Complainant followed defendant to Planet 4 to get a better description of his license plate. As he was in a road rage incident where complainant brake checked him several times after he blew the horn at her. Defendant advised complainant followed him to Planet 4, denied following her to the apartment complex. Defendant advised he wasn't going to harm her, he just blocked her on social media. Complainant provided a recording of the interaction. which shows defendant circling the parking lot of the apartment complex, yelling, FU cracker. The light just turned green. Defendant responded, I know where you park now. I'll be back later. I'll be back later. You better watch yourself. And yelling racial slurs and drive off.
General argument, the racial slur is this white guy called the other person a cracker allegedly.
Well,
But-
let's pull the statute.
Plant Ford is literally right next to the apartment complex, my father's driving, so he took a picture of her plate, she followed her, took a picture of his plate. But I don't see harassment, I mean, it's just too big, stupid, it's what we see on the news all day long. I think it's.
Whoa.
Grizzlies, good news and stuff.
But so harassment occurs when an individual with the intent to harass, annoy, alarm, abuse, torment, or embarrass another engages in specific prohibited communications.
So they're not putting in communications. It's not, I mean, it doesn't track as much.
Well,
What you're telling me is every person that might have this courtroom, including the DA's office, would be in jail today for harassment based on.
I think that I would perhaps agree with you, but for the fact that they're saying it goes to the actual house.
The house is 5 foot where he went because he was getting a vehicle service, he was dropping to a vehicle service. And it's weird. I know you don't know that. I mean, that'll be a trial case down the road when it gets there, but I mean, I don't.
Yeah, I think that, so I think that there's enough for probable cause purposes. The only thing I'm gonna order now, and what I can do is I can give you the conditions,
Okay.
have him sign it, get it back to us by tomorrow,
Yes.
and then we'll set it for next week, whatever day you want, but in the interim, he needs to know that he's not to have communication with her, no weapons, no going to her house. If you can file those, I'll print it out, I'll give it to you. I'm gonna find PC, but pick a day, whatever, next week. He'll come, we'll just have him sign everything and then we'll, yeah. But yeah, so pick whatever day you want next week. Just before you leave, let us give you the conditions. He's got to have it signed back to us tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And you can just file it,
Will he file
sure.
it? I
Yeah.
did.
Okay,
Just to make sure, no contact with the complainant, no returning to her address, no firearms.
right. No going to her work, place of, where she lives, just no contact whatsoever.
Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Dustin, thanks, man. Hi, are you ready? Are they bringing him out? No. Sebastian, I signed your motion. Is that what you want?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. And then for future reference, just, you don't have to stay, just put it up here and then,
I'm waiting for the surveillance thing.
oh, got it. Well, then you can always Zoom. You don't have to
I'm gonna
stay.
be here anyway.
I told him I could email him and contact him.
I'm going to here. I love being in this place.
Yeah.
Data did go out there and it's trying to get it.
Okay,
We're gonna get a three-call person.
we email and then someone's gonna come help us out, but yeah.
Because I had the one with the ankle monitor.
So forget where. Hey, Syed, what's up, man? Great to see you. What's new?
Dude, I just had some interns with me. I was taking them around introducing the judges.
Yeah,
Whenever you have a
just
session.
let me do this plea real
Yeah,
quick
no problem.
and then we'll, because I don't want them to come up and then they
Yeah, no, I got it.
security risk.
I want them to walk the plea anyway.
Yeah. So no dice on Porter, huh? Okay. Yeah.
You just have this first, the conditions, or you want me to have them sign it first?
Yeah, I can sign it. If you wanna,
I just followed him, Judge.
okay, I'll sign it, then we'll print it out and we'll give you a copy. Yeah, for sure. So you're gonna have to give me a couple minutes for it to pop in.
I'll cross walk.
Okay, sure. I've got Dan Corrigan also here. He's got 3 cases that.
All right.
So he still has the case upstairs going on, right?
He plans this case up.
Oh, rip. Wow. He just got filed.
Yeah. He got probation.
Wow, that was quick.
Mhm.
All right, Mr. Wessels, good morning, sir. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're also charged with possession of a dangerous drug. On both of those, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. It looks like you have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 9 days in jail with credit for the 3 days that you've done. It looks like it's a reduction to a first. You know how many people we have in TDC doing life on a DWI? This is now 2 with us, a second, and now you have a DWI upstairs. What's it gonna take for you to get the message? Serious prison time? You and all your 100-pound, you know what they would do to you in our Texas prison? You have any clue what they would do to you in prison, Mr. Wessels? Take a guess. I've read stuff and it had me in tears because of the way that some people are treated in our Texas prisons. It's freaking disgusting. You are now facing up to 10 years in prison. If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, it's probably a good time for you to address it because really, the agreement that you've worked out is 9 days in jail, credit for the 3 days that you've done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you are not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal once you accept this agreement. You can never change this or undo this. You understand? Every time you pick up a DWI now, you will be facing serious prison time. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Good.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow this agreement, sentence you to it. I'm going to suspend your license for 1 year. Do not drive until you get a license. Stop getting into a car. Don't drive. You and cars do not mix well. Do you understand? If you want to get lit, take an Uber. $30. It's a geographical oddity. Wherever you want to go in this life, you take an Uber, always $30. Good luck, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready?
Yeah. These are 3 environmental interns for the summer, Judge.
Nice to meet you guys. How's it going?
Maybe some of them have already heard about you, seen about you.
So are you guys in law school now or are you undergrad?
Law school, just completed 1 L.
Nice. Go to law school. It's so much, well, no, I was going to say it's fun, but it's not fun. It sucks. But I tell you, I mean, you really, this life, it's about knowledge, right? The more you know, the more just life is better for you. No one can take you for a ride, you know, and really when you're a lawyer, it just, there's no greater profession in this world. It's hard, but it's worth it at the end. You know, if you put your heart, soul into it, if I can become a lawyer, anybody can be a lawyer. Really, it's just how much heart you have, you know? You're welcome to come anytime. You guys want to hang out with us. Fridays and Mondays are our busiest and it's a lot of fun around here. But yeah, you're welcome to hang out anytime. And I would go and watch as many trials as you can. You need to see the best. We have so many great warriors in this building. The more you watch, the more you learn and the more you kind of sponge off them, develop your own style. But really, just the world, your oyster, anything you want this life, the harder you work, the more passion you put into it, really.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Come by anytime and just hang out. We're happy to have you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Everything else going well, Judge?
Great. Yeah.
You ever had issues?
Hey, I'm live streaming, just so you know.
You ever have
Programs issues. Okay, so just let me come down here.
So you're with the PO's office?
Now with the DA's office.
Oh, you're with the office.
But so like all your legal documents, you have those.
Okay.
It should be moving quick, you know, when my files, discoveries in, offers in, so when they come to court, they got everything.
Yeah,
You know,
really,
they should be rolling, so, but for some reason they're not.
we don't get many
I know.
anymore. Oh,
But for some reason it's not moving quick, let me know, because they
Yeah.
should be moving quick.
I got you. Side, you're the best, man.
Have a good one, Judge.
Thanks. Dan,
Yes, Judge.
you ready?
Yeah, I have Frank Garabee,
Okay.
2 cases. We submitted the PTI packet. Tried to call him for his insurance. He didn't answer.
I guess we lost. Let me see how, thanks.
We're working on applications. and-
So he says he's submitted it. Do you have the, on Garabay?
Gary?
Yeah, with the G.
We have not.
You filed it today, Dan?
No, I think it was filed, my secretary did, at least a week ago.
Who did you send it to? Did you send it to Kenneth?
I'll send it again, Judge. To
Okay,
Kenneth?
do me a favor.
Yeah,
Will you CC, Farwa or, DA here? And I will send you her email. Just bear with me a second. I don't know if you have it.
You can have me for the Serenita is out today.
Say it again?
Serenita is out, so if you want to CC me on the email instead.
Okay. I'm gonna send you her email if you don't mind CCing her
okay.
so that we know. Bear with me a second. That's it.
Okay, let me write it down.
And then we'll set you off for a couple days, for any day next week
Okay,
to see whether it's accepted or rejected. If it's accepted, have him come here so we can send him to do a walkthrough TRAS. If not, then we got to figure out what we're gonna do. Pick a day next week. I don't care.
next Wednesday. Okay. The next person,
Favela is the next one.
yeah, we're just waiting on the contract.
Favela with an F.
FEBELA.
The contract was sent, yes, the contract was sent to defense on, June 8th.
On when?
June 8th, 2 days ago.
2 days ago, they sent it to you. Do you have it?
Okay. I'll look and can we set it for next, can I get so I
I'll
can
give you
get
2
the,
weeks on that, Dan.
okay, sounds good.
So hold on, let me get your date. No, page 8, bottom. They just got the contract 2 days ago, so you're gonna give them 2 weeks.
Bottom of 8, is that 2 weeks?
Yeah, they got the contract, so they have to finish up everything.
June 30 through July 2nd.
July 2nd.
July 2nd.
Okay.
Okay, then next is Garabay on page.
No,
13.
that's the one we submitted the packet, submitted the PTI. But I'm gonna resend it, except for next Wednesday, Garabay.
Next Wednesday.
Wednesday, Judge, that's a paper date.
Okay, pick any day but Wednesday. It's a FIFA day.
Oh, okay, what
And then
about that
Friday's the
Thursday?
no-go too. So no,
Thursday?
no Wednesday, no Friday, because Friday we're off.
Okay, then the next Thursday.
Thursday. Okay.
Okay, and then the last one is Frank Garabee. We tried to get him a PTI, but he was denied.
You mean Rodriguez?
I'm sorry, Rodriguez, Your Honor. Alfredo Rodriguez. We tried for a PTI, but he was denied. So I just waiting on a different offer from the state.
He has a probation offer on the portal.
It's 276 days old, Dan, so
Okay,
I
can
gotta
we
know
set
what
it for
you
next? Yeah, can we set it for next Wednesday, Judge, and we can
Sure.
finish it?
Okay.
Okay. I mean, next Thursday.
Thursday. All right.
All right,
He's gonna
thank
be
you,
here
Honor.
next Thursday to take care of it or get set for trial.
Sounds good. All right,
Okay,
have a great day.
you too.
Bye-bye.
Have fun. Were they gonna dismiss the possession of a dangerous drug case? Did you know? I forgot to address that. Okay.
For the plea, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Washington. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, man?
I'm taking responsibility for myself with Stetson locked it. Was supposed to be here. And I did not know by him. He did ask, but I didn't.
So I guess pick
Yeah, you.
Friday?
You can take it to
I can try.
the vendor.
I'm gonna text him now.
Okay, so there's an offer on the case.
There is not.
Okay,
I'm gonna let him know, talk to him right now.
yeah, okay. All right, thanks. Friday?
Right? This Friday? You're not going to the interview?
It's plea or trial.
Clear. Yes.
Plea. Okay. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
This Friday?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Thank you, sir.
This transfer order, you want me to sign this transfer order and put tomorrow's date or put tomorrow's date or today's date?
Oh, you should see it was today's.
So I'm gonna put today's date.
Okay, I haven't had. Garcia, Michael?
We're gonna print it out and send it to him because he's gonna have his client sign it. And then, so he's not here. If you don't, I can print it out and then this depends where he's gonna take it with him and have him sign it. And then he's gonna file it via
Okay.
deeds. He's set for tomorrow for Raymond, but he can't come because of work. So that's why he's gonna come next week, but at least it's on the conditions, so.
Is it Tiffany gonna come and pick them up?
Yeah, it's just, I guess, I'll hold it now.
Do you want me to delete the one from the?
Please, yeah,
Can you delete your signature?
sure. Hi, Herm. What's up? Yeah.
No, purchase from Eagle, Sandoval.
Sendable?
Yes, yes. It's not that old, but and he has a request to transfer the scram for the interlock now that he has the vehicle. He would like to drive. Son of a,
Yeah, I'm not gonna take it off, but if he wants to drive, I'm okay with it, and we'll have him have an interlock. But he just had a BVR not less than a month ago, so I'm not gonna take
is that
this.
agency pay as well? Or
Sure.
Okay,
Of course.
okay,
Yeah.
I'll wait for your chamber then. Thanks. Am I sitting the one for these? Your assistant? Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah.
On the line. I don't have the interlock, it's all set.
Hey. Hi, morning. With a P? Okay,
For him, he was accepted as a PTI.
great. Is he here now?
He is here. We got his T-RAS scheduled, but it was scheduled until July, sorry.
Yeah, so we'll send him now, and then we'll give you a couple weeks. Yes, ma'am. Thanks. You need me or her?
Yes, Ron, I want to make sure for all of us, we're ready. You good?
Yep.
Okay.
Victoria, how's the jail?
How are you, Judge?
Hi, what's up?
Your Honor, I have Mr. Portland Roberts Clay on the docket. He's got two cases. The older case is a motion to adjudicate an assault family member. The newer case is a new law violation of harassment. I visited with the prosecution about Mr. Roberts Clay cases, and we discussed some outcomes. What I've requested of the prosecution as a potential alternative is that, should the court allow, of course, that we extend Mr. Roberts Clay's deferred from 13 months, which was the original term, and he's pretty much, that term actually, I think, expired at the beginning of this month or late last month. And so extend it to a 2-year probation and keep him on probation and alter the conditions of probation from no threatening or harassing to straight no contact. The complainant in both the assault family member and the harassment case is his child's mother. So normally there is inherently some communication. I've informed my client and the state that I'd be asking the court, should the court go along with this, of course, to order that there be any childcare communication go through a third-party intermediary to comply with the no contact provision.
Have we done a TRAS yet?
No, sir.
What I'd like to do is set it for a TRAS to see what they recommend first.
Okay.
With all these assaultive cases, I don't even know, and now we have a new assault and another harassment. I think
It's just a harassment, Judge.
I'm sorry, right. Well, the fact he's on deferred.
No, understood.
So what I'd like to do is, is he here now?
He is, Your Honor.
Let's send it for a TRAS, and then we'll set it off 2 weeks to figure out what to do. But I don't want to. Let's set it the last week of June to the first week of July, and then we can try to pursue an outcome. But I'd like to know what they recommend to see with this kind of history. I don't know. I don't know what, don't want to agree because I don't know how to go forward. What kind of. So let's send them today, and then we'll just give you a reset.
Are you good with everything that I represented?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sure. All right.
Thank you.
So just reset it to like the last week or first week of July. We're gonna send it for a TRAS now and see what the results say.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
appreciate that.
July 28th.
Judge, you said last week.
Last week of this month or first week of July.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That was
I want to be here for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's July 7th. Well, it's still in the and you know this out. I saw a lot of this and or something.
Yes, I saw it.
Okay, we're gonna solve your motion to the end.
Okay, let me tell them I'm not objecting to it.
Okay.
Does he already have? In the block?
Yeah, affordable, but they just need to amend it.
So you're gonna amend on the Sandoval case, the,
Just 1 minute.
to an A, because it's over 1.5, but he
Okay.
already has a portable.
Okay.
Yeah, good, and I'm not objecting to it.
A portable device. I thought he had a scram.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay.
And I think to the interlock as well. in case you-
Yes, right. I don't want to take the scram off because of the
Yeah,
bond violation. Yeah,
I'm just gonna wait for your J lo.
sure.
Yeah.
Sorry, they're out, so I don't know when this, yeah,
I'd like to zoom in for the seventh floor.
of course.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, anything. Hey,
You want to let that sit down?
on your hand, on your knees. Hey, come on up. You ready? Yeah.
I'm pushing on pace.
Okay. Yes. What are we doing?
As far as the bond conditions go, she has an 8 monitor on. Just want to ask the court, would you be willing to just amend that? She's in nursing school. She's.
Is that Miss Pace there?
Yes.
Her case is 500 days old on one, 524 on the other, and then 29 on the third. I'm not taking it on. Sorry. It's just, she's been gone way too many times. It's just not gonna happen. And we need to figure out where we're going because these cases are super old.
Yes, good. So I just got a point at the last setting, still going through all the discovery, there were 3 cases.
Got it. Yeah.
I probably just need one more setting.
Sure, of course. Yeah, absolutely. But I'm not taking it off. It's not gonna happen. Sorry. Yep. And counsel, let her know if she ever takes off again, I'm gonna go bananas on the bond.
How much time on that one?
Just normal setting. On pace. Yeah, she's got the new case and it's only 29 days old.
I mean, it was legit, but for
Is that public complete and we forward to amend?
I'm gonna find one on this Friday. And so she had.
Choose to go on
Victoria, what's the cause number?
2608610. It's on for Friday. It's in But I also have to try.
Jason. Hey, is your client here today?
No, she's ready for Friday.
Hey, I'm live streaming, just so you know.
Was that?
I'm live streaming, just so you know.
Yeah, so this is a case, I'll talk to the prosecutor, but I think it'll be resolved pretty quickly. This is a QB case where. Well, we're talking, but she said her husband are traveling in, over the weekend, so they just want to, we won't be ready until next week.
Sure,
Okay.
pick a day next week. Yeah, I mean, are you okay with it? Okay, where is it from? Jason,
Was that?
where is it from? Is it just like a CVS or
Oh, no.
Walmart or?
She was very, she's pretty well. They bought like 4 or 5 wedding dresses and then returned one, but he challenged, because it never arrived, he called the credit card with the wrong dress. But they never contacted him straight out, but he'll pay the money back. It's just that.
I understand.
He did the wrong dress.
So pick a day next week and then. Yeah. And then, hey, after that first setting, when they come here, we'll waive the parents, so you just whatever you want. Of course, tell me. Here, well, hold on. Hold on. with Hernandez?
Judge, we previously represented the complaining witness.
Where is the defendant now?
He is not here, Judge.
I can't grant it until he's here because I don't want to let him go without counsel. So let's do this. Have you had contact with him?
I'm not able to report any contact.
When is the last time you reached out to him? When is he set for now? Let's see. He's set for 6:25. Why don't we do this? You want to set him for Friday? And then
6:25. Just because he made aware of it.
are you sure? I know that is he,
Like I said, I'm not able to report anything else.
let me see. Is that? Okay, that's a required setting. Let's do this. I don't want to rule on it until he knows about it, you know, and chances are, like, if what I'm hearing is correct, you're having a hard time getting a hold of him. So I don't want to do anything until he knows about it, because I've had people, I've granted motions before, a defendant gets here and goes, I can't believe my lawyer withdrawal, no one told me. So I'm happy if you want to put it on earlier and I can rule on your motion, and that way I can appoint him another lawyer simultaneously. But I don't want him to be out there thinking he's got a lawyer when he doesn't, you know?
Yeah.
Right. So if you want to keep it on 6:25, we can keep it on that and I'll rule it on that day. Or if you want to bring it closer Friday or next week or the week after, then.
Yes, I'll keep the current date.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Hector.
Judge,
Hey, good morning. What's up?
Judge, I'm for my two cases for Carlos. I think they are having a bad morning today.
Who's first?
The first defendant is David Renee Granados.
Granados.
Okay, top of 16. Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, where's Mr. Granados?
Judge, she is here.
Okay.
In that case, I spoke to the prosecutor this morning. She wants to clarify on offers on that case.
It's
The defendant wanted to speak to Carlos. Carlos is not going to be able to make it here till later. So I didn't know whether or not you want to carry it for a couple of days, like until Monday, just so.
Sure,
They can talk.
but at that time, it's time.
Yeah, Judge.
Yeah. Okay,
It's-
Monday's cool.
I've already
Sure.
forwarded those offers to their office, and I want Mr. Granados to feel comfortable whenever he's going to.
Yeah. I understand. Sure.
Judge, the second case is Nelson Cruz Rosas. And Judge, on that one, he's been approved for PTI.
Is he,
I don't believe he's here today. No, yeah, I don't believe he's here today, Judge.
is it under Rosas? I don't,
Yes, Judge. 31.
Oh,
It's-
he is here, Judge.
okay, it's
So,
222 days
He
old.
just needs to sign his PWI contract and get the interlock box, Judge.
Okay.
So again, I just was looking for 2 weeks for him to be able.
Come up, sir. 2 weeks, I'll give you a week. It's 222 days. We have literally,
If he's gonna be able to get the interlock back fast, that's the only reason I was asking for that extra time, if they get it done before, they can come to court and be.
do you speak English, sir?
No, you'd be fine.
Tu caso ya tiene 222 días. Está extremadamente viejo. Tú tienes 2 semanas para terminar todo o te traigo cada día hasta que lo tienes hecho. ¿Me entiendes, Méndez? 2 semanas nada más. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
So for those citizens.
2 weeks, yes.
The condition I haven't agreed and so from Okay,
Okay. Jackson, 5,003 on all of them.
Yeah, no, I think there's like. Judge, on the PTI, my understanding, I've already got the interlock. So I'm gonna talk to Mr. Rodriguez's office and get them to do it ASAP, so we get it going.
So we'll do next week then. Same thing Monday?
They reset it, but I'm gonna have to try and start by Friday this week.
Well, but then I don't want to do 2 weeks if he's got everything done. There's no sense in setting it another 2 weeks if it's 225 days old. So, I mean, just pick a day next week
That's fine.
for homeboy. Of course.
Hey, Judge. This is an off docket matter. We were here last week. You said to come back and approach off docket. This is on case number 260.
Oh, hold on. Let me.
Sure.
260
Yes, 5977.
on Smith.
Yes, and I just looked around and we don't have a pretrial services officer, so I don't know how useful this approach will be, but we discussed removing the GPS monitor device when Mr. Smith was here in court last week. You said to come back and approach, you wanted the state to have some time to speak to the CW, confirm that she was okay with the removal of the GPS.
Yes, Your Honor, I did contact her and she's okay with the removal.
Okay. Have there been any issues? Did you ask?
Nope, he's been on bond since 214. He's been having the GPS monitor device and no bond violations, no issues.
Did you ask her if there have been any issues?
Not asked her specifically, if there's been issues instead of see if you get paid.
Okay.
I can reach back out to her.
I would, from now on, anytime you have in a case where there's assault, I would at a minimum say, hey, how are things going? You want the GPS removed? How have things been? Have you had any more issues? If there's no contact, ask them, hey, has there been any attempted contact? I would always ask the full gambit.
I apologize. It was just a quick call.
That's all right, but okay. I'll acquiesce, just hopefully there are no more issues.
Okay, understood. So removal of GPS monitoring device.
Yeah.
Since we're relaxing the conditions, he doesn't need to sign, right?
Is he here?
He's not here.
Yeah, I'll waive the signature. Yeah, not a problem. Hi, yes, of course.
Have Andrew on the docket.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Right.
Good,
Here,
great,
both
wonderful.
dated, Judge.
Yeah.
Nice to yesterday.
Can
Yes, sir.
jail or bond?
He's in custody.
Okay.
Excuse me. So I just spoke with Karina. We just agreed to a PTI. It would resolve both cases. He has a bond set on both cases, I believe at 252. So it is a low bond draw, but he cannot afford to post any amount. He's been in custody since April.
Can you bring out Mr. Cantu?
7.
Please.
He's been in custody since April 27th. I'm requesting that you to reinstate his original GOV bond so that he can get out bond and complete the classes, and we'll get his case resolved.
What do we put him in jail for? Do you remember?
It was,
You test positive or something?
no, it was 7 skips.
Yeah.
7 skips, and we were trying to explain the water was spilled on the device and he was trying to get up with the pre-trial.
So I'm gonna put a scram on him.
Can we do agency pay for that? I don't think we can afford.
Don't I do agency pay on everything?
Sorry?
Don't I do agency pay on everything?
Oh. Just like to be sure, you shook your head no for a second.
Get your sister. How's jail? You know, the funny thing is your bond on each of your cases is $252. It would take all probably $50 to get your butt out of jail, and not even $50. No one is out there to post $50 to $70 to get you out. So when you are out there in the free world, you should be thinking, if I'm up to shenanigans, ain't no one gonna bond me out. The only time you get out is if we give you a free damn bond, Mr. Cantu. Your lawyer is asking for me to reinstate your bond back so that you can get out. Alcohol was a factor in this case, correct?
Oh, you'll look right now. Yes, Your Honor, it looks like the defendant did have, was holding, 2 alcohol beverages.
So the only way is if we put an ankle monitor on him so we know he's not consuming alcohol. But let me be frank, Mr. Kent, that if you ever violate a condition again, I will never play this game with you again. I'm not going to do this again. Only you hold the keys to that jail cell. The only thing I'm asking you to do, don't pick up any new cases. Don't endanger my streets, and don't use alcohol or illegal drugs. You have been in jail now for how long?
Since April 2017.
You will be negative if I test you for weed right now. If I test you and you test positive for marijuana, that means you have used in the free world. And guess what happens? Right. I'm not going to do this again. You will get tested once a week, so I know that you're not using. So I don't have a pretrial service officer now. So what we'll do is I'll reinstate the bonds now, but he's got to come back tomorrow so that or Friday, so we can do conditions. Okay?
Okay.
You will get a device. You're going to get drug and alcohol tested on Friday. You know it's going to happen. So if you go out there and you consume alcohol, you consume illegal drugs, and you test positive, it's not going to go well. You understand? Okay? All right, I'm with you. But this is it. I'm not going to do this again. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hey, you reset our case. I was so excited to come in and try a case with you. And then, I don't know, you were busy.
Get your brother.
Sorry, you're on. My name's Walker Whitney. I'm a rising criminal at South Texas.
Nice. Good. Great. It's no better profession in this world, man. I tell you what, it's just.
You're so skinny now. You talk way
What do you mean skinny? No, man.
You look like your shirt baggy
I
around your
can't
neck.
tell you what my friends call me because I'm live streaming otherwise. Yeah. I always live stream.
Like on.
I don't show the court just because people are mean.
The Harris County website.
I live stream so people can hear it, but I don't show the front of the court just because people are they're not nice people out there, some of them, so.
I wanted you to meet him because he has interest in being down here all the time. Yeah.
It's great. It's so much fun. You know, it's if you treat the profession well, it pays back in dividends, man. I mean, there's no two ways around it. If you treat it well, you're honest, fair, and you work, then the sky's the limit, man. Really, you can. I know people that retire at 40. I know people that work about 2 hours a day. I just, you know, you got to put your dues, you got to work hard, you got to know what you're doing, fight for your client. Because remember, no matter what profession you are, where you end up practicing, whether it's criminal law, bankruptcy, personal injury, you know, you're holding someone's lives in their hand, and it's not something that you should take lightly. And I know a lot of people that have, I've seen them try a case, and my grandmother could do a better job, you know, and she has no formal training. She's bedridden. So, and you'll see it, but it's a great profession. You, with the right people.
Just shadow me. He reached out to me, found me somehow, and asked to shadow me.
Yeah, Nathan's great. How's it going?
Busy.
You guys trying anything this week? Anything else?
Well, not after this case reset. No, we're actually 7-15 right now.
Today?
But the state moved for continuance. They need to get rid of it.
You know, a continuance is as good as an acquittal for as long as it lasts.
That's true. That's true. It's true. But they really need to get rid of the case.
I've heard that before.
It's like a booty, and there's some drugs.
Oh,
They don't have anything to talk about it.
you know what it is, right? They're all aids to.
It's true.
Anyway.
Well, I appreciate your time, Judge.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah. You know, if you're ever interested, come around, hang around, you know, watch. What I would do is, as a 3L, learn who the big names are in this building. Go watch as many trials as you can, learn as much as you can. See how everybody has a different style. Develop your own. Don't try to copy someone else, because it's just not going to work. Watch, learn, develop your own style, see what works, and really, it's
have to be yourself.
awesome. It's great. This
Thanks for the advice.
yeah, absolutely. And you're welcome to come anytime, hang out with us. Okay, great to see you, Mr. Beadle.
Bye.
Oh, great. Are you helping us out? Okay, great. So, we need to do conditions for this gentleman. If you want, I can give you a cause number. Yeah, if you, once you sign on, we'll go through it. Edge, don't send him back yet, because I've got it.
Oh, she's here, okay.
Yeah.
I need to ask. And I'll write him into everything.
Look, someday.
You're right.
Are you ready? Okay, so the first one is 259-6738 and 6739, Mr. Cantu. This is Mr. Cantu here. I'm reinstating his bond now. So he'll probably be let out sometime tonight or tomorrow. We're gonna have him come back on Friday, and he needs a scram. He needs to take a drug and alcohol test on Friday. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol, no contact with the complaining witness. And I think that's it. I've got number 2, Herman.
Yes, sir.
What's your cause number?
Yes, sir. It is 260-9871.
260. On this one, we're also putting an interlock on. On all these, agency paid for everything. So he has, on this case that we just gave you, he has a scram. It stays on, but he wants to drive. So we need to make sure that he has a interlock on the car, so it doesn't start if he's got alcohol on board. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, random testing, just garden variety DWI stuff.
He just signed electronically, Judge, or how do
And
you
then
want him
both
to
of
do it?
those, on his case, I'll waive the signature because he's not here. Mr. Cantu's here, so he can sign his. Well, there was one more bond modification that we needed to do, right?
Smith.
Do you know? Yeah.
Yeah, you also were going to do the amendment on that one, Judge, that I was
Yeah,
unopposed to.
I signed it, Herman. You
Okay.
mean the,
Okay, thank you very much.
yes.
Okay, I'm going to
Victoria,
leave now.
I've given her conditions for, yeah, sorry. We've got like 4 people who need condition modifications.
For the one that we talked about, I kind of just dismissed it.
Okay, there you go.
So it should be you.
I mean, I'll sign it as soon as I get it. Yeah, for sure.
So I'll just sign
May I be
it.
excused, Your Honor?
Are you good? Yeah, you got it, Herman.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, have fun, man. Martin,
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Mr. Andrade. He's on jail docket.
okay?
Judge, he has some pending felonies, and he's hired attorney Mac Miller for those. He's also supposed to be on the misdemeanor case.
He hired who?
Mac Miller. And Judge,
I don't see that Max on the case yet.
he hasn't filed in yet. I did talk to him yesterday. Judge, he's having some pretty serious family health issues. I don't really want to speak about it, over Zoom, Judge. It is pretty serious. I think that's the reason why he hasn't filed into the case. I did just text him again right now to remind him. I did speak to him yesterday. He was supposed to file on yesterday, but it just hasn't happened yet, sir. And I'm sorry I left before I addressed
Don't
this
worry
case.
about it. Hey, do you want me to just put it on for maybe next week or something?
Yeah, I think that would be best, Judge, because he's still, he hasn't posted the bonds for his cases upstairs, so I don't think and I think he has a bond on our case anyway, so
Yeah,
that would be great. If we could do it probably for like next Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yeah. All right. We'll put it on for the Tuesday then.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
May I be
You
excused?
got it.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Oh, yeah. You were hiding. Hey, what's up?
You couldn't see me from the screen.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Hi.
approaching on Raul Hernandez,
Jail or bond?
the jail.
Okay. What's the word, Thunderbird?
Bond is set at 10,000, and I'm approaching to see if he would lower it. He can only afford about 2,500.
Let's see. I need to bring him out so we can talk. I've got his,
Oh, that was quick.
What happened?
No, we were saying that we
Can we-
need Spanish interpreter
can
right
we-
here.
when you're, yeah, just, yeah. He's in jail. We got to bring him out, but we got to put him back first. So 2 minutes.
Do you want me to step aside?
No, no one else is here.
Did you just happen to stumble when you told him, or did you?
Yeah, I was gonna get some more.
Oh, we got lucky.
And I stopped to talk to this young lady,
She's our acting coordinator.
and she won't give me a recess. She said no.
Wow, really?
Yeah, straight no. Nothing, yeah.
She has a lot to say. No.
Oh, now? Yeah. That's all. Yeah, and they get old. And they turn 70. And you're uncool and everything you say,
This is
they
why
already
I,
know it.
this is why I take all the attention that my daughter gives me now, because
Yeah.
I know it's gonna turn into a teenager and not pay attention to me.
It's difficult when they turn into teenagers. It really is. It's-
My daughter, I think she adores me. She's like, we walk and we meet each other. She's like,
That's normal. It's normal. It's normal. But keep at it.
Drop me off over here, but school's 100 yards this way.
At some point, they'll come back.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm sure.
15, 13, 10, and 4.
Okay, the 10 and 4 are not there yet.
My 10 is about as sweet. I mean, just, she's so amazing. And my 4, they're so polar up. Girls and boys are so polar.
Yeah, I remember when you had to kiss me while I watched TV.
Yeah, it's just, you know what that means, right? Go have another one.
Oh.
Yeah, Hernandez.
No, 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 that's the wrong one.
There's number correct Hernandez.
Not wrong, wrong Hernandez.
I'm like, why Hernandez is the old person?
Yeah, this, what they call posted.
Hey,
Yes.
hey, who's that over there who just walked in? What's your name, sir? Last name?
Well, I see it being here for.
Okay. Do you remember who the lawyer is?
Brian Levine, Judge.
Okay,
Correct Hernandez, right?
that's him.
Sorry about that. Showing you the first name as well. Sí, señor, por favor. Yes, señor, le va a traducir.
Good morning, Mr. Hernandez. You are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Okay, please.
On June sixth, 2026, officer was dispatched to a family disturbance call at an apartment complex in Harris County, Texas. Officer made contact with defendant and complainant. The defendant informed officer that nothing happened. Officer learned from complainant that defendant had assaulted her. Defendant was then detained. The complainant stated she is defendant's wife, and they have known each other for 4 years and have been married for 3. On June sixth, defendant kept yelling it was her fault he went to jail and punched her in the chest with a closed fist really hard. Complainant's pain was an 8 out of 10. Defendant was arrested previously for assaulting her, and complainant provided an audio recording of the situation. Complainant said defendant has been hurting her for 2 years. Every time he is drunk, around 1 to 2 times per month.
That he's what? He's drunk 1 to 2 times a month?
Every time he's drunk, he hits her 1 to 2 times per month.
Every time he's drunk, he hits her 1 to 2 times per month. What on earth does that mean? Does he drink 1 to 2 times a month? Does he? Okay,
Can you look at the gym to see what the
it's fine.
exact language is, Your Honor?
Is he a flight risk?
Oh, I believe. So straight from the DIMS, Your Honor, so it states, complainant stated defendant hits her every time he is drunk. And then separately stated that defendant hits her around 1 to 2 times every.
Okay.
Complainant had also initially declined a protective order because the defendant had told her he was leaving for El Salvador, but then changed her mind because,
He said he's going to El Salvador?
yes. And then she changed her mind because she believes defendant will kill her or himself.
Judge, he has an apartment here, he works, he does AC, like, AC repair. Just because he says he's a flight risk, doesn't necessarily mean that he is. We can put proper bond conditions in place, in where an inquiry, we can put him on house arrest.
Well, I would first be, want a passport at a minimum. I would give you a bond reduction, but I'm gonna require a passport first, so I know that he doesn't take flight.
He has an American passport, Judge.
Yeah, I'm gonna want it first.
El juez dice que si lo van a que lo van a dar condiciones bien para que entregues tu pasaporte.
How would you want to do that logistically? Because I'm not taking custody of no.
No, once you could have someone bring it to here and we'll tender it into a registry here. I'll make a document notation that we have it. Once the case has been settled, at that point, we'll give it back to you and to give it back to him. But I'm, there's no alcohol. I'm gonna put a monitor on him so I know that he's not using. No contact. This is a second assault against the same complaining witness. No contact, no going to where he lives, works, but first, I want the passport. So I know that he's not gonna take flight.
Se puede venir a la corte de entregar el pasaporte.
Necesito contactar por teléfono a un sobrino.
Él tiene acceso a los apartamentos.
Sobrino, él no conoce,
The problem, Judge, is that the apartment that this incident allegedly happened.
He has significant, I wouldn't say significant, but he has quite a bit of recent criminal history, violent. All right, he has a prior DWI third from a year ago, so I will, but I want to know that he's not going to take flight. And the way that I know that is
I'm
by
just,
taking his passport.
I hear where you're coming from. I'm thinking about from a practical perspective, how are we gonna get into that apartment and get his passport? Considering that.
That's not, I understand, but he's already threatened to leave and go back to El Salvador, from which he's a citizen from. So, well, I'll let you guys work that out. I will give you a bond reduction. Are you okay with it?
Don't be approached at all, that long.
If you find somebody to go back to that apartment, considering that you told him no contact, technically that would be a third party contact. Can somebody go to the apartment, his apartment, with his permission, go into the apartment and get?
Well, that's up to him. That's up to him. Don't have any issues. I don't have any issues with that. He cannot have contact with the complaining witness. So he cannot relay any information to a third party to try to give information to her.
Okay.
So okay, well, tell her this, tell her that, no, just get the passport.
Okay.
And I'm okay with
I
that.
can hear everyone talking.
Okay.
So, well, yeah, I'll let you guys.
Sheriff's
Okay,
property.
so.
He says it's in the property.
Oh, okay, there's a white card that you can fill out to try to get it.
Yeah, I don't want to take custody of his passport, Judge. I've taken custody of property of clients and I had to hold on for years to them and be responsible for it. I'm never doing it. Especially on a US, or any kind of documentation. Okay, let's figure out a way to get it. But I'm not taking.
He can, that's okay. So he can do a power of attorney and give it to someone else, I guess. And yeah,
I've learned my lesson.
but I understand.
Um,
So I guess we don't have anyone to do conditions now. So, hey, Andrew, we don't have anyone for y'all here to do conditions now.
Okay.
Oh, wonderful.
Hey, Judge.
Hi. Let's see what let me see what the mesh did.
Judge, if the passport is in custody of, like in his belongings when he got booked in. Okay, would you be willing to set a bond? Just hear me out,
Okay.
Set a bond and give him 24 hours to turn over the passport, which means he comes out, and if he gets released during 4 hours, he comes straight here. If he gets released outside of business hours, he comes in the next day, and if he doesn't show up, you revoke his bond. He's not gonna be able to leave the country with a warrant.
I don't want to take that risk. We're not in the business of trusting people here, you know?
So you're trusting a complaint, what if he says something, so you believe what she says?
I'm not believing anything. There's a magistrate has found probable cause. It's a second one. He's got violent history. And he said that he's going to take off to El Salvador.
Well, you, according to her, so you believe her, but you don't believe him.
I'm told you I'm willing to give you the bond reduction, but I'm not going to trust. I don't want to.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah. So scram? Yeah, a scram, a GPS monitor, not to go within 1,000 feet of where the complaining witness lives or works. No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, random testing. And yes, ma'am, please, on everything. Do you need the cause number? You have it? Okay. Victoria, you want to go through the list?
Yes. Judge, I'm sorry, I'm not sure what Mr. Sebastian told you about the other case. I just wanted to, so I was kind of doing like things at the same time and get coach.
He said that you dismissed it. What?
We received his surveillance video.
Or maybe he was talking about another case that you
I did
dismissed.
tell him that if we see the felony, I would discuss it. But we did get the surveillance video, we did get the officer's name, we got everything.
What's the client's name again? I'm gonna call him.
Because I wanted to approach this to make sure, Escobar. But Estrada, sorry, good.
I see it, Estrada.
Yes. Don't know how to get
I'm
surveillance.
gonna call him.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
The prostitution one I dismissed, Judge, though, this client that has a prostitution case. that's
Maybe that's the one he's referencing, the
the
dismissal.
one I dismissed.
If this is a random PDO number, I'll never get through to him.
But I think the court just wanted to know if we got it, and that's why
Yeah,
I
yeah.
told him we did, so that's probably why he left without a picture.
And get rid of my water.
Sebastian, available, please. Hey, Sebastian, it's David Fleischer. I'm calling you with regards to your client Estrada. Would you mind giving us a call back? Thanks. Or stop by. Bye.
I mean, nothing like that.
Okay, I guess we'll set it for, I don't know, maybe. I have no idea. Estrada? We were waiting on them to get the surveillance and they got it. So, but Sebastian left. Did he reset Estrada with you?
Did Judge?
He did? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, just let him know
Okay.
so that we,
Yeah, I sent it to him. I told him before he left, but that's probably why he just left.
okay. Good morning, Miss Bailey.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, I have a PTI packet and I need it to, Aaron Smith. He's not on today, but I need to get her new driving affidavit to sign. She has that filed.
Okay.
I do have more copy too.
Okay. I think it gets filed into the,
Yeah, you should follow
Into
the
the-
deeds, Judge.
okay, great.
It's filed.
Hello?
Thank you.
Sebastian, hey, let me put you on speaker. Hold on. Hey. Sus to not ex parte. Are you here?
Yes.
They got the surveillance.
Yes, no, I saw, I talked with,
Yeah, okay. So I guess we'll just keep it on whatever you want. It doesn't matter to me. I don't,
yeah, I told, I gave Victoria the date.
Okay.
You know, for right after, just in case,
Cool.
but yeah.
all right, man.
Thank you, Judge.
Have fun. Bye.
I was his chief when he was in the DA's office, so he should have known better.
Tell when someone's disappointed because, you know,
I did my.
got it.
Mr. Carey, he's made bond now, so I think he needs bond conditions.
Okay. Coming up, sir.
Sure do. It is 2623705.
Do you want to set it? Do you still want to have the hearing or no? Well, because I have to find, because if he picked up a new case, if I find PC, I'm revoking his bond on the first case.
Sure. I mean,
So
right,
we
yeah,
got to
that's
do
my
it.
second. If there's a little less urgency now that he's not in jail, but I'm happy, yes, I do. Because I'm still gonna show PC.
Then let's do it, because when someone picks up a new case, one of the things we tell you to do is don't pick up a new case. Stop. We won't have a hearing. In the interim, you're not to have contact with the complaining witness and not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? So you tell me when you want to do it. I'm here this week and next week. I don't care.
Maybe next Tuesday?
Sure.
Next Tuesday.
Okay, set it. You must be here on that day. We will have a probable cause hearing and then we'll go from there.
Good to go with you,
Do not pick up any more cases. Do you understand? Okay,
See you Tuesday.
all right.
Yeah, just hang back real quick. Okay, thank you, Judge. We'll see you
Thanks.
Tuesday. Go ahead. Have a seat. Tuesday.
So guys, be ready because we're gonna have a full blown here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Mr. Hernandez. Do you want no contact?
Correct. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Message.
Maybe
you could just unsign them. One of them was well, there's a current case number, and the other one is a duplicate.
Got it. So just unsign and delete.
Unsigned.
Okay, cool. Yes, ma'am.
Judge, just to be clear for the PC hearing, because every court is different. Are you expecting much full-blown testimony or just?
No. Just be ready with case law. Just anticipate everything. No, you don't need to bring witnesses, but just be ready for,
Yes, but it's a different.
yeah.
That's the first time. So that's two.
Judge, you want to as far as the release?
Yes, ma'am. Please. Mhm. Crap, I may have signed it again. Did you delete it or did I? Oh, no, I think I deleted it. I couldn't delete the, yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Carey, come around this way, Tom.
Goes back to the job. That's right.
We have defense committee tomorrow for both cases on about just a schedule.
Sure, of course. Yeah,
Because I don't know if you want to do.
that'd be good. Yeah.
Just have here and one more time, Judge. This is initial by the line on all three spots. Front, middle, and top, middle, and bottom. Okay. Yeah.
Since that last one on Gary, was that today's month?
Yeah. Hey, guys, can you file conditions on Carrie, please? Yeah, no contact with the complaining witness, no going to where she lives, and no weapons. Please. All right. You want to finish up?
Starts in the back. Straight. No, it's not. All right, Judge, top 5 was an arraignment yesterday and failed to appear.
5002. Yeah.
Right, your signature, I don't record the first one.
Tienes que firmar aquí diciendo que va a incorporarse el servicio de prejuicio antes de hacer cuando salgas y te van a dar tu primera protección.
Your next court date is on.
Okay, who's next?
Next is bottom of 12, Garcia. Except for arraignment, failed to appear to bond.
Same thing, 5002.
I think this could do something a little powerful, you know. Where?
Okay.
A la casa de trabajadores, no puede ir a donde ella trabaja o en su vida, puede trabajar. No pega contacto de todos. Ella llama y le dice pues que está llamándola. Y ella le dice,
Farwa, did you dismiss Gonzalez? You are? Okay, they're dismissing it.
We have two monitors.
Dos monitores, una posición para saber la unidad, 24 horas al día y la otra para
You want to check outside, see if he's out there? Odolate?
si digamos puede pagar la financiación.
I granted it,
No te ha dicho todavía cuánto es la fianza.
Almost 35.
Diez mil. Ah, tenés que pagar.
2501.
Tienes que pagar $1,000.
Almost 35.
Yeah. You guys ready? Come on. Come on. We need him to.
Sorry.
Don't worry about it. You're doing great.
¿Tienes alguna pregunta?
Okay. All right, good luck.
Estas son mis propias. Para que lo
Yeah, come on. What are we doing with Mr. Odolate?
Is a time served.
Okay. Mr. Odolate, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 12 days in jail with credit for the 4 days that you've done. You need to understand something very important. This now will reflect as a conviction on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Even after you die, it's still there from now on. You pick up any more cases, it's a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand? There are no more proverbial slaps on the wrist. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization, to give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there you can never change this. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of assault? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll call the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
Please
you.
see the clerk. Thank you.
So let me just step over here. This is the form that I think not the first board of intervention to the people that can be court counsel, okay?
Thanks, you too. Take care. All right, guys, that's a wrap.
And there's some disclosure.
Got it. Okay. So that, the withdrawal, I'm not gonna sign, because I don't think the defendant knew about it. So we're gonna readdress it on the 25th. Yeah, guys, I guess we,
Thank you.
do you see on Harry condition? I guess I might need one of you until we make sure the conditions come in for Mr. Carey.
Yes, we'll do it.
Yeah, should hopefully within the next couple minutes. Ma'am, have you been helped? Are you with this gentleman? Oh, okay.
Can I step to the back, Judge? She'll be here.
Yeah, for sure.
How you been, Judge?
Great, you?
I haven't seen you in about 6 years.
Where are you working?
I'm in the one in.
Oh, okay, that's Judge Bell. Is it a busy court?
On Mondays and Thursdays.
Is that what she does, arraignments?
That's, yes, our rocket dockets on Mondays. and
Rocket docket, oh, Lord.
Say we pick a jury, so she doesn't want the attorneys waiting. So we try to pack Mondays and Thursdays, so we don't have a lot of people waiting while we're in a jury trial.
They're always in trial too, huh? Wow.
But it was good to see you.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for helping us out. I don't know how long she's gonna be gone.
Yeah, just send me an email.
Yeah, we're basically done.
Oh, good.
Sure. Yeah.